Jennifer. Wow, it's so messy. It's going to be so messy.
Hi guys, welcome
or welcome back to our channel. So we hope you all are doing absolutely good
and are in great mental health.
So guys, we know long time no see. So as per the title, you guys already know that we are doing this no hands challenge.
Okay, so guys, to give you all a brief, so we are going to do many activities. In that we are gonna eat, we are gonna draw and many more. So if you are excited by listening this, so keep on watching, and without any further ado, let's get started.
So guys, to start with,
And it has started raining. Every time while shooting.
Guys, we are going to ignore this. So like we have, as she said, we are going to do 3-4 activities, so in which obviously we are not going to use our hands. So if one is not able to do that, and like we are going to keep some time slot in which we have to complete that task. But if we are not able to do that, so we give a dare to each other.
Yes.
Okay, so like I have shortlisted my dares, like I have 3-4 dares, and she has 3-4, and we don't know what those days are, obviously. So yeah, so now I think we should just get started because we are very excited.
Yes.
Because we are shooting after so long. So
you
yeah,
can see by our faces that we are just smiling.
yes.
Okay.
So to start with, we I think we should start a little easy.
Okay.
Okay, so guys, we have the biscuit here. So can you explain what are we going to do with this?
Okay, so we'll take a piece of biscuit and we'll just keep it on our forehead, and then we'll try to eat.
And guess what, we have put on our lashes.
Yes. On
I already feel so heavy. So okay, so as you can see, we have a biscuit here, that is a NutriChoice biscuit, just in case you are wondering. So what are we going to do? We are just going to place it on our forehead, like as she has mentioned. So now let's wait the timer. So yeah, we have only
40 seconds to
Yes.
eat this whole thing. नहीं तो dare करना पड़ेगा.
Yes. And what if we both are not able to? So we both give dare to
Yes.
each other. Oh my god. I'll keep the phone here. What?
Oh shit! It feels difficult.
Can I start again?
No.
Then what I've done?
You can.
Oh! How did you do it? You practiced it at home. What did you just? Even if that small bit falls, you're not supposed to use your hands. Clap. So clap. She has done it, and I get a dare. Oh my god. Okay. मेरी किस्मत.
दोनों के लफड़े पे मेरे को क्यों फंसा के रखा है? उठा ले रे बाबा, उठा ले. मेरे को नहीं रे, इन दोनों को उठा ले.
Okay. So I'll give you a dare. That is very funny. Okay.
Yeah, you make me clown only on the camera.
Okay. So drink a sip of water and then sing that song. जाने मेरी जाने मन बचपन का प्यार.
Which people are mad all over the reels.
Yes. She drank it.
नहीं जमेगा यार, पूरा पानी भरा सा ले. How can you have something in your mouth and speak? Bad manners.
You can. Okay.
जाने मन बचपन. मेरी जाने मन बचपन. बचपन का प्यार मेरा बहुत.
Chalo. Now moving on to the second one.
So now coming to the next dare, we have some water.
Yes.
Yeah. So what are we going to do? We are not going to use our hands. We
As
have
you
to
already know.
Yeah. So obviously, so we are obviously the timer will be on, and we have to drink it just by taking it without the help of your hands.
Yes.
Okay. So let's. Can you hold it? I am done, you guys. Can you see this? Okay, so now it's her turn to get a dare. So yeah. Okay, so guys, my dare is call a super fancy restaurant and try to make a reservation under the name of Jennifer.
Jennifer, oh my god. Give me a phone only.
Okay. So whom do you want to call?
Give a random number. Why are you googling it?
Then how can I give you a random number? You have to call
It's
a restaurant.
right?
Persian Darbar.
Welcome to Persia Darbar Restaurant and Takeaway. For Jogeshwari, please dial 1. For Varsova, please dial 2. For Malab.
Hello. Am I speaking to Persian Darbar? Actually, I wanted to book a reservation seat for my.
He said book नहीं कर सकते.
But I want to book it. My name is Jennifer.
But I want to book it. My name is Jennifer.
हम बुक करते ही नहीं है. आप डायरेक्ट आ जाइए, मिल जाएगा.
He said we don't do the
Yeah.
booking.
He said direct आ जाओ आपको मिल जाएगा.
वो बोलेगा क्या पागल लोग हैं.
Why did I do that? My name is Jennifer. I didn't knew कि कैसे start कैसे करूँ. जो आया मुंह में बोल दिया.
Okay, so that was fun.
Okay, so now the third round. So
We have
Maggie
or
and it's a lot. I don't
Yeah.
think ये 40 seconds
and it's going
में
to
खत्म
be
होगा.
messy.
Yeah. Our whole makeup is gonna go now.
Yeah. But it's tasty.
Yes. But do you think 40 minutes में खत्म होगा?
40 seconds.
Sorry.
Nice. But let's see, whoever finishes it more
Okay. Fine.
gets a point. Like, whatever.
I'll adjust my hair. Yes.
Wait, I'll also put my hair all away from my face. 1, 2, 3, start. It's not even coming in my mouth now.
It is stuck. It's not coming only.
Because we have kept it
Yeah.
from half an hour. मेरे को याद ही नहीं टाइम आ रहा है मेरे को भी.
I don't think किसी ने कुछ अच्छा काम किया है.
Yeah. Like we
दोनों का
just
सेम
had-
लेते हैं. 2 bites.
Yeah. Now what? So now we should, I think we should give Des.
Yeah. To each other.
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, yeah, we're ready.
Yeah. We got a
So-
Des.
Who is giving first?
You give me first.
Okay.
And that is?
So it is eat a piece of dog or cat food.
Are you kidding me? We are not doing that.
we are.
How can you do that, yaar? Humans are not supposed. That is why it is called a dog
Hey, I
food.
have seen many people doing this. Okay.
So
even you.
You want me to do all these things?
Yes.
It is a dare. And what if I die? No, you don't.
And you got also. That is why you got this.
No.
Then
Luck by chance मिल गया.
she's lying, guys.
You saw.
No, I
That
don't
delivery
know.
boy came
No,
just now.
no. शी कितना बड़ा पीस है वो, मैं नहीं खा रहा.
Have to take a small bite, at least taste it.
Oh, easily are saying these things now. Wait. Tables has to turn around. But compared to this, I don't have such nasty dare. This is the nastiest dare. She, yeah, you know how dog food smells also. You smell it? She's not even ready to smell and she's expecting me to eat this. Smell like.
Don't smell it.
It's so bad.
टूट भी नहीं रहा इससे.
बस ना टेस्ट कर लिया.
क्या किया?
चाटा
देखा
मैंने.
तुम लोग को.
हाँ.
Oh, take a bite.
What bite? Chatta.
Small bite, I said. Not even the whole thing.
See?
It's my turn now.
That's easy. You have to lick your elbow for 5 times, 5 seconds each.
5 seconds each.
Yes. Ready?
Count, huh?
हाँ. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
नाटकी.
Chal, do 2 more times, not even 5. 5, 4, 3. Sorry. Again, I'll start. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
This is like a workout.
Okay. Last.
One more time.
5, 4. How did it taste? 3, 2, and 1. We're done.
It started paining here. I don't know why.
So guys, now we are on the last round. So the last round is, tell us.
So we have a paper here, and for the support I have a brush ka box, and she has her diary. Yeah. Okay, and which color do you want?
Yeah, and we didn't get the pens.
Yes.
So we have our lip liners. I just hope it doesn't breaks.
Yeah. Don't apply that much force.
Yeah.
She forgot to get the pen, huh? Guys, just fight. You can bring it. At least I got the book. I come all the way from that building to this building. So hard, nah? She stays.
So, what? You're supposed to give me one thing to draw,
Oh, yes.
and it should be easy, yeah?
Yeah. Okay, draw a cupcake then.
That is simple. Okay, so you draw a duck.
Duck is difficult, huh?
A duck. You just have to make this. Draw a flower vase.
Flower vase.
Yes, with flowers, ah. Okay. Start. Oh.
I'm ready.
What the fuck?
This is my rose and this is my vase.
Yeah, guys, and it's just six seconds left, and this is my cupcake.
Yes, we did a good job, I think.
I guess, yeah. It was just
Nice.
slipping from my mouth, so that's
Yeah.
why it wasn't coming the straight line.
Yes.
Yellow, guys. So we both won.
Yes, we don't
Drum
have to
roll.
do.
Guys, we are done with this video. So this was all it for this video.
And we hope we bring a smile on your faces.
Yes, because we were so happy shooting
Yes.
this video. And yeah, so if you liked it, please do like
Share
and subscribe to our channel
Unicorn Diaries, and also don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you will get notified every time we upload a new video.
And also guys, do check out our Instagram. The link will be in the description box below. So guys, we are almost close to 500 subscribers. Please help us to grow, and please do hit the subscribe button. And yeah, until then,
Stay humble
work hard
and be kind. Bye,
Bye guys.
got some pain.